Welcome back. Even after the stiff opposition from the Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar, Sunburn Music Festival will be held in Candolim. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has confirmed that Sunburn will happen in Candolim, but with some restrictions. Music timing will be shortened and restricted. But Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar has maintained his firm stand against Sunburn in Candolim.
State government fetches 6 crore rupees revenue through Sunburn Music Festival. Lobo has said that Sunburn contributes in the form of employment and revenue for the locals in Candolim. He said that there will be restriction on playing music beyond certain time.
Sunburn was always in Candolim and it will remain in Candolim. Discussion in the interest of the state and also without disturbing the local people. There's all kinds of music evening then 5 to 10 o'clock sharp one. So Sunburn brings lot of revenue for Goa, so it cannot be stopped.
Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar is still against having Sunburn in Candolim.
December आसा ते अजून 3 महिने आसा October, November, December. So let me the file खातीर येवनी म्हाका न्ही.
तुमची policy remains same that Candolim you will not allow Sunburn.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Former Sarpanch of Kalangut, Albert Fernandez, was allegedly assaulted by one Francis Fernandez on Saturday. Albert has been severely injured and presently undergoing medical treatment at District Hospital in Mapsa. Police informed the reason behind the attack is tussle between the duo on a local ground issue.
Albert alias Agnel Fernandez was allegedly assaulted in Kalangut by one Francis Fernandez. This is the third attack on Albert by Francis. There has been tussle between the duo over a local ground issue. Francis physically attacked Albert with kicks, punches and blows. Albert is known to be the close aide of Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo. He has asked for strict action against the attacker.
तेजेर FIR 2 हा दोन्ही पार्टी तो बेलार सुटला वो थर्ड तेका आय चूड मारलो तेणे तेजो नाक फ्रॅक्चर जाल्ले हा police station have to take strict action on law cannot be taken in the hand. There is, if you have any grievance you have to go.
Sources informed that there is a playground in the village which was bought by a person who raised fencing to the ground, due to which Francis got furious and attacked Albert.
आम्ही त्या मनशाक इमिजिएटली PHC कांदोली मेडिकलाक धाडून दिलो पयलीं मागीर थंयसरल्यान ताका आजिलोन रिफर केलो आजिलोन रिफर ट्रिटमेंट दितकच ताका एडमिट केला आमी ताची कंप्लेंट रिकॉर्ड केला आनी ऑफेन्स फॉर अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर रजिस्टर केल्लो आसा जो एक्यूज आसा फ्रांसीस फेर्नांडीस ताका डिटेन करून ताका अंडर 307 अरेस्ट करून लॉकअपान दवरिल्लो आसा.
Currently, Francis has been arrested under charges of attempt to murder and is in police custody. Reporter Pramod Kandolkar for Prudent.
Blatant violations of CRZ norms have been reported in Benali. A builder has allegedly constructed new structures in the name of repairs. Sarpanch and the Punch members have accused of major CRZ violation at the site. A complaint has been made to the CRZ authorities, Panchayat Minister and the CM in this regard, but local authorities claim there is no correspondence yet.
The Sarpanch and the Punch members of Banavlim Panchayat held a site inspection at a hotel. The hotel owner had taken permission from the Panchayat for repairs of their hotel. However, the beach hotel is being totally constructed afresh now. Panchayat secretary refused to divulge any information after inspecting the site.
There is a violation going on here under the garb of repair. A total reconstruction and probably even new constructions are going on at this place. When we came here, the first thing we saw was an existing structure which we saw in the previous inspection has been totally raised down and it's been excavated, which was under construction. Is almost, the structure is ready, probably only finishing is left.
Is there a CRZ violation?
Yes, we see that. For that we have even written to the CRZ department.
When have you informed them?
It's way back in 2012.
Have they come here?
No, we've not got any information that they have come here.
पण आमगे कितें हा हॉटेल आमकां जाय पूण लीगल जाय आमकां कित्याक गोरिबांक गेली घरां आहाय ती आमी पंचायत रोखडेच स्टॉप पूण नोटीस धाडा आनी आमगे कितले स्टॉप नोटीस धाडे पूण ते आमगे आयकनाय.
Sources from the panchayat informed of some connivance between some of the panchayat members and the hotel group. Local authorities informed that despite several complaints made to the concerned department, no action has been initiated. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Goa government has stated to the High Court that they are exploring an option to relocate the MPT jetty to rehabilitate the Baina evictees. Chief Secretary of Goa will soon convene a meeting with officials of the MPT regarding relocation of the jetty. High Court has adjourned the hearing of this matter for 18 November.
During the hearing before the High Court of Bombay at Goa, state government said that due to lack of required land, Baina's displaced sex workers could not be rehabilitated. But government is exploring an option to relocate the jetty of Marmagua Port Trust to rehabilitate the Baina evictees. Chief Secretary of Goa will soon convene a meeting with the officials of the MPT and all the related parties regarding relocation of the jetty and displaced locals. About 250 hutments used by sex workers were demolished in June 2004. As an agreement with evictees, they have to be rehabilitated in Vasco area only. Baina sex workers are not yet rehabilitated. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.